Hello students, in today's video lecture we will discuss the second part of advertisement, that is display advertisement. Okay students, I taught you that advertisements have two different kinds. First one is the classified advertisement that are published in a newspaper or in a magazine, and this is the second one, that we call display advertisement. Okay, clear? So let us try to know what they are actually. Okay, display advertisement are made for commercial purposes. Okay, unlike classified advertisements, display advertisements come in various sizes or forms, or often include diagram, pictures and colors. Okay students, in if we talk about the comparison, okay, between these two kinds of advertisement, uh, display advertisements are quite attractive. Okay, making these uh, advertisement you can use uh, colors, okay, diagram, pictures and all that. Clear? But in a classified advertisement you are not allowed to do so. Okay. Okay, so display advertisements are not densely structured on brief or to the point as classified. No. Okay. Instead, they are eye-catching and contain appealing slogans. Okay. The heading of display advertisement is often highlighted to uh, emphasize its importance. Okay, means you can even use bold heading to make its to make it more attracting. Okay, clear? Actually they are um, drafted just to attract the attention of the customer or consumer, the targeted uh, customer, or you can say the set of community towards the product we launch. Okay, clear? The benefits or features, advantages, disadvantages of the community commodity are often stressed using bullet points. Means you can use points, you can even highlight your points, you can use dots like these to highlight the things. Okay, later I'll also make you know how to draft such an advertisement, but before that let me give you some tips to write a draft a display advertisement. A display advertisement must be written in a box. Okay, drawing and slogans should be used in this type of advertisement. Okay, the information should be written in complete sentences. Clear? The details of the name of the company, store, of office, organization, along with discounts, offers, okay, if any, should be mentioned in this advertisement. Okay, the language should be effective, precise, accurate and convincing. Okay, the advertisement should be visually attractive, which is able to capture the attention of the reader. Okay, the front size of the word should be changed, or you can write should change depending on the ones which are to be highlighted. Okay, means you can even use bold letters, the different fonts of letters while drafting such an advertisement. Okay. Huh? Uh, Let me give you some other silent feature of this advertisement. Okay, clear? Uh, these advertisements are visually attractive and catchy, with catchy slogans and taglines, jingles, etc. For example, you have seen so many advertisement like the shoes, any product. Okay, for example, you have seen the advertisement on a television of a pressure cooker, in which the tagline is तेरे दिल की बात मैं जानूं. Okay, clear? So you can use these taglines even while drafting an advertisement. Okay, verifying for varying font size and styles colorful. It can be colorful. Okay, clear. And the font size can be differ. If you want to highlight anything, you can even write it with bold letters. Okay, you can even highlight them, you can even put them in bubbles, okay, in circles or in zigzag manner, the way you want to show or exhibit. Okay, ability to attract attention naturally, and they clearly attract your attention. Okay, language, as far as the language is concerned, it should be simple and appealing. Okay, and last not the least, content to be placed inside a box, means outline is required. Okay, let me show you how it looks like. Okay, students, let's have the first example of a display advertisement. Okay, clear? You have opened a new showroom for shoes and bags in M Block, Greater Kailash, Phase First, New Delhi. You are offering a special discount of 20% on all the items as an inaugural offer. Okay, inauguration हो रहा तो inaugural offer आप दे रहे हैं 20% का. Design a display advertisement using not more than 50 words. Put the advertisement in a box. Okay. Such a statement will be given in your paper, and you have to draft the advertisement like this. First of all, the heading: glitter shoes and bags. Okay, you can see the font of these words are quite different from that of these slogans and words. Okay, so glitter shoes and bags. Okay, here the writer has made some pictures, okay, of shoes and bags. Wishes to announce the opening of a new showroom. This company wishes to announce the opening of a new showroom at M32 Greater Kailash. This is the address, okay, New Delhi. And this is special offer. You can even color it, 20% discount on all shoes and bags. Okay, clear? On, and when it will be open on Sunday, 6th March 2020 from 10 a.m. onwards. Okay, and this is a slogan: hurry, don't miss the golden opportunity. New designs not available anywhere else. This is the proclamation. As the producer always tries to make so. Okay, students, if you are bad at drawing, you can even uh, write only words and slogans. Okay, clear? Don't faint, don't be nervous. If you cannot draw like this, you can use these things more. Okay, let us go through another example. Draft an advertisement for a company launching a new brand toothpaste in not more than 50 words. Okay, put the advertisement in a box. Okay, how can we launch a new item? This is an example. Okay, देखिए, first of all, an image has been drawn of the toothpaste and the brush. Okay, here this is the name of the toothpaste. Let's, for healthy and strong teeth, means यहाँ पे देखो कोई particular कोई वो नहीं था way that you have to even write the name of the institute of the organization that is launching, or company that is launching this toothpaste. Here you can even begin your advertisement writing such a slogan. So for healthy and strong teeth, use our new brand Pride Toothpaste. This is the brand name. Okay, and these are the salient features. Gives clean and fresh breath. Okay, keeps your gums smooth and healthy. Okay, prevents cavity and gums, fights the decay of teeth, keeps your teeth brighter and whiter. Okay, you can even draw the image of the picture of teeth, okay, of your green, beautiful green. Okay, स्माइल का आप बना सकते हैं. Okay, अवेलेबल इन थ्री साइजेस. Okay, 50 ml, 20 100 ml and 200 ml family pack. Okay, at all stores now. Get one toothbrush free with each pack of 100 gram. Okay, okay, where Cystopic Lab Limited, this is the organization. Okay, the company that is launching this one, West Patel Nagar, New Delhi, and then box. Clear? I'm damn sure that you are getting, you are surely getting something new this time through this video. Let's read some other examples. You have recently set up a new unit for detergent. Okay. Draft a suitable display advertisement to be published in a local daily for the promotion of your soap. आपने कोई नई यूनिट डाली है डिटर्जेंट की, तो उस शॉप, जो सोप है ना, साबुन, उसकी पब्लिसिटी करनी है. एंड फॉर दैट यू नीड टू ड्राफ्ट a display advertisement that can be called as the commercial advertisement. Okay, so here he has written it in a bubble. Make your clothes cleaner and keep them smelling fresh all the day long. Here, use Noori detergent. It's the name of the detergent, and this is the picture of a soap. Okay, salient features: economical, removes the dust, stains, dirt. Okay, does not harm clothes. Colors with colors will become brighter. Whites and whites will shine. Okay, available in packets of half kg, 1 kg, and 5 kg. Where? This is the address. For trade inquiry, contact Messrs. Noori Detergent Factory. Okay, Jazpur, Hisar, Haryana. Telephone numbers, mobile numbers. Okay, clear? Students, if we talk about another example, so here a display advertisement has been given for a new model of a car that is being sold in your automobile showroom. Okay, so let us read. Become a proud owner of Gen Deluxe. New model, okay, CNG run car. Special features: 12 kg company fitted CNG kit, attractive design and colors. Okay, free service for 1 year, complete with all accessories. Okay, reasonable prices, and a pollution free drive. Okay, the cheapest and best car for your family. Okay, this is the image of the car. Please contact or visit Landmark Automobile, Piragadi Chowk, New Delhi, and the contact numbers. Okay. Suppose you have launched a new face cream and wish to advertise it. Draft an attractive advertisement to be put in the newspaper in not more than 50 words. Okay, especially in display column. तो देखिए क्या होता है. Special face cream made from the finest natural products. Avida face cream. It's the name. This is the image. For both men and women, for all ages, helps protect and regenerate or rebuild skin. Okay, clear. uh, Clears pigmentation and black blemishes or blots on face, on the face. Okay, no added chemical, available in jars and tubes. Okay, available at all the stores, general stores and chemist near you. Okay, this special information has been given in a separate box. Manufactured by Avida Natural Products, Chandigarh. Okay, okay, and let's read the last or the least advertisement in this regard. You are the director of a coaching institute. Draft a display advertisement for uh, your local daily, mentioning the courses that you offer for coaching in not more than 50 words. The educational advertisement can be put up in display column also. So here highlighted name is Pratibha Study Center, Study Circle. Okay, it is the address MG Road, Thane. Offers the following courses: 1 year diploma course in web designing, 1 year postgraduate diploma course in first media communication, business management. Okay, financial management. Okay, this is the specific detail. Limited seats available. Book your seats immediately. Regular classes will start with effect from 2nd of July 2017. Okay, SS Sharma, director, and you need to keep it in a box. Okay, students. Students, this is the exercise for practice, and you need to send me the answer. You have to send me the answers written on a paper. Okay. First one is draft a display advertisement in about 50 words to promote the sale of a new series of educational books, Viva. Okay, giving all relevant details, means the names of the book should be mentioned clearly. Okay, their author's name. Okay, even you can draw the book covers. Okay, special discount you are providing. Okay, uh, uh, the combo packs. Okay, okay, and where and how the readers can get. Okay, second, draft an advertisement display, an attractive display advertisement in about 50 words, inviting people to a leading resort called Blue Roses Resort and Farms to organize wedding party and other events. Okay, so you have to prepare such an advertisement. If you find any difficulty, you can call me. I will suggest you the way you can draft it. Okay, clear. Draft an advertisement in about 50 words announcing the launch of the special health drink Energize by Nutrition and Healthcare Private Limited, highlighting its nutritive values. Okay, so students, these are the five statements for uh, the advertisements. You can draft any of the three and send them to me on my number. Okay, clear. So students, this is all from my end for today's session. Okay, we will learn something new and interesting in our upcoming lesson also. Okay, clear. Till then, bye, and stay safe, stay healthy, stay at home. Thanks for watching this video, beta. Thank you very much.